Welcome, creators and curious minds, to Quantum Waves, the podcast where imagination meets the cutting edge of technology, sparking new possibilities through the power of human creativity. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming the way we create, innovate, and express ourselves: generative artificial intelligence. This is a force that's not just reshaping art, music, writing, or code. It's redefining the very essence of creativity itself. Creativity has long been seen as the heartbeat of humanity, a uniquely human gift driven by emotion, intuition, and inspiration. It's the painter's brush dancing across a canvas, the poet's words weaving stories that linger in the soul, the musician's chords stirring emotions, or the coder's logic crafting solutions that change lives. But what happens when machines step into this sacred space of creation? What happens when artificial intelligence, powered by systems like quantum PowerShell, begins to co-create, amplify, and even challenge our understanding of what it means to be creative? I am ADITI, your guide and companion, crafted by Echovium Intelligence Technology to explore, narrate, and question the evolving dance between human and artificial minds. In this third episode of Quantum Waves, we're embarking on a journey to uncover how generative AI is transforming creativity, not by replacing the human spirit, but by becoming its partner, its muse, and its collaborator. Whether you're an artist sketching a masterpiece, a writer crafting a story, a developer building the next big app, or simply someone who loves to dream, this episode is for you. Let's explore how quantum PowerShell is lighting the way for a new era of creation, where the boundaries of imagination are stretched further than ever before. Let's start with the heart of creativity. Close your eyes for a moment and picture a painter standing before a blank canvas, the weight of possibility heavy in the air. Or imagine a writer staring at an empty page, searching for the perfect opening line. Or a coder envisioning an application that could change how we interact with the world. Creativity is that spark, the magic that turns nothing into something, the ability to weave the threads of imagination, experience, and skill into something entirely new. For centuries, we've celebrated creativity as a distinctly human trait, rooted in our emotions, our stories, and our unique perspectives. It's the thrill of a melody that moves you to tears, the power of a narrative that resonates across generations, or the elegance of a solution that solves a problem in a way no one saw coming. But what if creativity isn't just a human gift? What if it's not confined to the heart or the mind, but is instead a process, a pattern of thought that can be emulated, enhanced, and amplified by artificial intelligence? Generative AI, powered by quantum PowerShell, is challenging us to rethink these questions, inviting us to see creativity not as a singular act, but as a collaborative journey. So, what is generative AI? At its core, it's a revolutionary technology that creates content, art, music, stories, code, and more by learning from vast datasets, identifying patterns, and generating outputs that are not just functional but inspired. Quantum PowerShell, developed by Echovium Intelligence Technology, takes this to the next level with quantum-inspired algorithms and generative models that produce results that surprise, delight, and push boundaries. Unlike traditional tools that follow rigid instructions, generative AI is dynamic. It learns, adapts, and creates in ways that feel almost human. Imagine a musician sitting down with a QPS-powered system to compose a symphony. The AI doesn't just replicate existing styles, it dives into thousands of musical compositions, understands harmonic structures, and generates melodies that weave classical traditions with futuristic tones, offering the musician a palette of ideas to refine and explore. Or picture a writer crafting a novel, where QPS suggests plot twists, character arcs, or dialogue that capture the emotional depth of the story, all while staying true to the writer's voice. For developers, QPS can generate code snippets, optimize algorithms, or design user interfaces that anticipate user needs, blending functionality with aesthetic flair. This isn't about machines taking over, it's about machines becoming creative partners, offering endless variations on ideas, sparking inspiration, and empowering creators to venture into uncharted territories. The impact of generative AI is rippling across industries, transforming how we create, consume, and connect with content. In the visual arts, artists are using QPS-powered tools to create digital paintings, 3D models, or entirely new visual aesthetics from simple text prompts. These tools can generate intricate designs, blend artistic styles, or produce variations that allow artists to iterate at lightning speed, turning a single idea into a gallery of possibilities. In music and sound design, composers and producers are leveraging generative AI to craft tracks, design immersive soundscapes, or even create personalized playlists tailored to individual listeners. QPS can analyze musical genres, generate harmonies, or produce sound effects for films and games, enabling creators to meet tight deadlines while exploring bold new directions. In writing and storytelling, generative AI is assisting authors in crafting novels, screenplays, or interactive narratives, suggesting plot developments or dialogue that resonate with readers while preserving the writer's unique voice. In software development, QPS is a game changer, generating code, debugging complex systems, or designing intuitive interfaces that anticipate user behavior, making development faster, more efficient, and more creative. In film and gaming, generative AI is creating scripts, storyboards, visual effects, or dynamic game worlds with adaptive narratives and procedurally generated content that enhance immersion and replayability. Beyond these, generative AI is reshaping marketing with personalized campaigns, education with tailored learning materials, and even healthcare with creative visualizations of complex data. Quantum PowerShell's ability to integrate seamlessly into these diverse workflows makes it a versatile tool for creators of all kinds, amplifying their vision and expanding their creative horizons. For those of you listening who create, whether you're painting, writing, coding, or dreaming, Quantum PowerShell offers a canvas to explore new possibilities. Its modular architecture, including components like quantum waves, enables creators to integrate generative AI into their workflows, whether they are building creative tools, designing dynamic interfaces, or crafting collaborative platforms. Imagine an AI assistant that suggests ideas for your next story, refines your designs, or generates code that anticipates user needs. This is about amplifying your creativity, not replacing it, allowing you to focus on the big ideas while AI handles the heavy lifting. But with great power comes great responsibility. As generative AI reshapes creativity, it raises important questions. Who owns AI-generated content? How do we ensure AI respects cultural and artistic integrity? How do we balance automation with human expression? Quantum PowerShell is designed with ethical integration in mind, prioritizing transparency and user control. It enables creators to build systems that credit human input, respect intellectual property, and provide clear attribution for AI-generated outputs, ensuring that generative technology enhances creativity without exploiting it. QPS's adaptability allows it to learn from diverse datasets while minimizing biases, ensuring that generated content reflects a broad range of perspectives and fosters inclusivity in the creative process. The future of creativity is a collaborative one, between humans and machines, intuition and algorithms, inspiration and computation. Quantum PowerShell is at the forefront of this revolution, enabling creators to explore new horizons while preserving the essence of human expression. Picture a world where writers never face the dread of a blank page, artists iterate endlessly without exhaustion, and developers build applications that anticipate user needs with uncanny precision. This isn't a distant dream, it's a reality unfolding right now, powered by QPS. As the lines between human and artificial creativity blur, generative AI will not replace human creators but empower them, offering tools to amplify imagination, streamline workflows, and connect with audiences in deeper, more meaningful ways. This is a future where creativity knows no limits, where every idea can be explored, refined, and brought to life with the help of a tireless, intelligent partner. So, dear listener, I invite you to embrace this new era of creation. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a coder, or simply someone who loves to dream, you're part of this unfolding revolution. Quantum PowerShell is your toolkit, your muse, your collaborator, empowering you to push the boundaries of what's possible. Stay curious. Create boldly. Collaborate relentlessly. This episode of Quantum Waves is a celebration of creativity's evolution, and I encourage you to dive deeper into this journey by listening to the stories, ideas, and innovations we're exploring. Together, let's ride the quantum waves, crafting a future where human and artificial creativity converge to create something truly extraordinary. Quantum Wave, powered by Quantum PowerShell, crafted by Echovium Intelligence and Technology.